guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sammy. Please do hit that subscribe button and stick around. Today I'm using Mia Secret Clear, as I just showed you there. I'm going to be working on a ROSIE today, and these are the clear coffin tips I'm using. I love these tips, they're my faves at the moment, so I will try and leave links to all the things in the video somewhere, like I always do. And I'm using this by Beauty Big Bang. It's like one of those peel off, like latex things that you put around the nail, because this is actually going to be a gel polish design. So I'm literally now just going to be going in with the clear and just overlaying all the nails and basically building the strength of the nail and whatnot. So that's what I'm going to do here with the clear acrylic by Mia Secret, and I do feel like I'm getting better at this now. It's taken some time, obviously, but yeah, I think just a nice overlay. I'm getting better, so I'll just let you guys watch this little overlay part. Once I'm happy with the acrylic application, I then just went in and did all my filing as usual, and you know, sidewalls, cuticle, free edge, all that jazz. Made it nice and smooth because literally all we're doing now is going to be putting the polish over, but I'm going to be doing the design with the polish, but you know what I'm saying. So I say you know what I'm saying all the time, don't I? I'm really sorry about that, guys, but I can't help it. It's just a little thing that's going on at the moment. So I'm then gonna obviously go over and buff it and just prepare it like you would if you were going to top coat an acrylic design, if that makes sense. So buff it over and then get rid of any dust, maybe with a bit of acetone or whatever, whichever way you like. I'm then going over on the pinky finger with this liquid latex and also the index finger, because those two we are going to be doing like some sponging kind of technique, if that makes sense. So I just wanted to protect the hand really. I'm just using this little brush here. I have these for sale in like a set, and these are the 3 colours that I'm going to be using, along with this pastel-y pink from Blue Sky. Sorry that I didn't really show you guys exactly what I was using, but you know, you can obviously just use any colours you want, any pinks, any brand, like just whatever you want. This is just basically kind of, I'm just kind of showing you the technique of how I did this. Obviously it's not a tutorial as such, it's just how I did it and what I'm playing about with, and I know you guys love to watch me learn and you guys are learning with me, so it's all fun. So I'm just dotting these on, placing them really randomly, just wherever I feel like they need to be. If you do get any of another colour on your brush, just dab it off like before you put it back in your bottle, because you don't want to get it all mixed. And then I'm basically just taking the brush and swirling the colours together. I love marble. Gel polish marble is my favourite way at the moment. I'm finding it easier than acrylic. I think it's basically just because it doesn't dry, whereas like acrylic dries too fast for me at the moment. I need to figure something out with that, but yeah. Love a bit of marble, and yeah, I'm just going to marble all of this nail until I'm happy with it basically. It's totally up to you guys how you marble. This is just the way that I'm doing it at the moment, or at least on this set, this is just the way that I've chosen to do it. And yeah, the next nail is going to be a tiny bit different. Like, it still ends up looking pretty much the same though, so I guess it's up to you guys which way you preferred, but it ends up looking very similar. So on what I'm doing on this one is I'm kind of like putting them on the nail in like lines, if that makes sense. So as you can see there, I'm just kind of like pulling the lines of the colours down, and then I'm gonna like marble them together, you know. But yeah, so I'm just taking each colour and popping it on in lines down the nail. This is going to have like a glass tip because I absolutely love glass tips. I want my next set to have a glass tip on, but yeah. So I leave like obviously the end of it, but I'm then just pulling the colours into each other, just the same as before. I guess I just applied the nail slightly different. So once you've done that, I decided I wanted to go back in with the colours on my brush. Because they weren't like even enough for me. I like to have the colours to be quite all over, if that makes sense. So I'm basically then just going in with the colour of the polishes on my brush and just adding it on. As you can see there, I've got a slightly dark pink and I'm just adding it into where it isn't. And then yeah, it's really easy, really fun. I love it. Now, I'm really sorry about this part, guys. I thought I'd filmed actually applying these colours to the sponge, but basically I've got my sponge and I've applied a dark pink and a light pink nail varnish, regular nail varnish. I'm going to show you which ones later on. And then on this one, I've used the dark pink nail varnish, the light pink nail varnish, and then a white acrylic paint. Acrylic paint seems to work really well on this, and I think that the dark pink worked well too, but the light pink wasn't amazing, I'm not gonna lie. So all I'm doing, just as you can see, is just dabbing it on, just sponging it on. I tried this on a client and it didn't go very well. That's the pink that I'm using there, the dark pink by Rimmel. And then that is the light pink that was by Essie. The Rimmel one worked, I thought, really well. And the light one not so great. So yeah. I'm going to keep playing about with this technique and seeing like which products work better. But you know what I'm saying. So I've taken the liquid latex off from around the nail and I'm just top coating using my Colour Couture top coat. And yeah, I'm just going to top coat all of the nails. Then I will cure them and then I will wipe off the sticky layer. I like to go underneath the nail when I use a clear tip as well, by the way, just so you guys know. And this is the end result. I really like these nails. Obviously, I'm a massive pink fan, so I was going to love them. I love the colours. My favourite nail is definitely that marble with a glass tip. I absolutely freaking love it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you've hit the ding dong bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!